Hello everybody, it's Jono here from Promove Bangkok, and today I'm excited to show you this hidden gem at the end of Soi Ari 2. That's right, it's located at this modern low-rise development called The Fin. Located only a 10-minute walk from Ari BTS, this open-plan, modern, boutique-style condominium comes with an award-winning rooftop swimming pool, a second-floor gym, 24-hour security, this open-plan communal area, and of course a tuk-tuk to the BTS. As we make our way to the 8th floor, we enter through the apartment and already it opens up to so much natural light. As you'll see on the right hand side, there's a fully equipped kitchen with a washing machine, a fridge freezer, a microwave and a wash basin with two-headed hot plate and plenty of cupboard space. The unit spreads over 40 square meters and can be used either as a studio, where you really get it open and nice and bright, or you can close it off to get some separation from the bedroom to the living area. The unit boasts a corner-style balcony fit for 2 chairs and a small coffee table, and a beautiful unblocked view of Ari in the distance. You'll notice the Pearl and the BTS just 10-minute walk away. This modern apartment comes fully furnished with a large 50-inch TV with TV cabinet, a sofa, a large king-size mattress with coffee table and mirror, and of course a dining table fit again for 2 chairs. It's a beautiful apartment allowing so much natural light and airflow. You just feel that there's a lot more space when you're within it, so it gives a really good vibe. A beautiful laminated flooring throughout the apartment, and in the bedroom with plenty of storage space, a large wardrobe on the left and storage on the right. No bedroom is complete without a very tastefully done ensuite, and this one does not disappoint, with a stand-up shower, wash basin and toilet and beautiful tile finish. It really is a nice, very nicely designed bathroom, I'd say, for this style unit. And with the door back into the main part of the property, we see the whole unit. As you can tell, it's stunning, it's bright, it's spacious. Look at those tremendous views of Ari in the distance. It's fully furnished with tasteful decor throughout. And like I say, it spreads over 40 square meters. It's ideal for a single or couple looking to live in the Ari area. Now we make our way to the roof of this 8-story building and to one of the highlights of the development. That's right, it's an infinity-style rooftop pool with once again tremendous views and unblocked brightness in Ari. It's very private, very tidy, and of course once again a decent lapped pool for doing swimming lengths. The unit also hosts a gym on the 2nd floor, 24-hour security, and its very own tuk-tuk that will take you to the BTS in just under 5 minutes. It's ideal for any young professionals or couples looking to live in the Ari neighbourhood. If this unit or any other units take to your eye, feel free to contact us at 0907 276508 or www.promovebangkok.com. Have a great day.